Hey, welcome. This is the biggest news in the world of AI since the beginning of 2024. OpenAI just released Sora. If you could remember, earlier this year, OpenAI has been teasing a particular text-to-video AI tool, and it is finally here. Now you can generate videos, craft imaginative scenes from just text prompts, and even animate still images. You can as well remix existing videos with seamless edits and combine multiple text prompts to craft unique storytelling experiences. And the most interesting part of this video is I will share with you an AI tool that you can use to generate prompts for Sora. Are you ready? Let's get started. You can use Sora to generate videos. You can say bring your imagination to life with text, image, or video. But then they have some additional tools. This is what makes this whole thing more interesting. Now the first one here is remix. So if you use tools like Adobe Firefly, Soracraft, and other tools like that used for image generation and editing, you should be familiar with the term inpainting. This is exactly what you can do using remix. So let's look at the open large doors into a library. So this was the original prompt, then it was replaced with French doors, more like editing with text prompt. And then the library is turned into a spaceship, and the spaceship is even replaced with a jungle. And the last one here is replace the jungle with a lunar view. Interesting, guys. Another interesting feature is the record feature. So it says find and isolate the best frames, extending them in either direction to complete a scene. So if you are familiar with video editing, you know videos are basically collection of frames, right? Still images is what makes up a video. If you find a frame that you like, you can decide to extend it, or let's say the video was not complete, you can as well decide to extend it. So that's what this does. And the interesting part here is the storyboard. So you can use this to organize and edit unique sequence of your videos on a personal timeline. So let's look at this. A vast red landscape with a docked spaceship in the distance. Then we have, looking out from inside the spaceship, a space cowboy stands center frame. You can use this to create like a movie, right? So this is just crazy, guys. Okay, and we have loop. This will be good if you have like an object that you animated. You can decide to just keep looping it. You can see trim down and create seamless repeating videos with loop. And these are different examples. You can see this is just mind-blowing, guys. And we also have blend, so you can combine two videos into one seamless clip. You can see what we have on the left is the first video, and right we are combined into one, blended into one. That's just the idea. And the last one here is style preset. So you can create and share styles that capture your imagination with presets. Now the interesting part is this is not an announcement. This is finally live. But unfortunately, I am in Europe, right? I'm in Poland. You can see Sora is not available in PL is Poland. Well, this is not a new thing. Most of the AI tools, once it is launched in US. So it's currently available in US and some other countries. So it is possible you will have access to it. But if you're in the UK or Europe, I'm sorry, it's just the same thing. Why I cannot show you this, I created something that can help you generate prompt. Okay, so all you need to do is selection of this command. I will choose the text to video. All you need to do is to provide an idea of the kind of video you want to generate. So I'll just say, here we go. Look at the prompt. More detailed prompt. But unfortunately, I will not be able to try it out. So that is for that. And the next one or another command you can try, you can use the help command though. to show you the list of commands available on Sora prompt generator. Soracraft, that's the name. Okay, so let's try this second prompt. Now it's asking you to upload the image, so I will do that, then just send it. So the first thing to do is to analyze the image itself and then provide a text to video prompt. So you can see the prompt as well. Sometimes it could even be more elaborate, but basically this is everything. Anyways, I'll add more functionality to this particular AI assistant. Meanwhile, if you want to try it out, just go to adelikesama.com/Sora or go to the GPT store and search for Sora prompt generator. Meanwhile, there might be some other GPTs or AI assistant on the GPT store. Just look for the one with Adeleke Samuel. Okay, so I hope you love this. And another thing I would like to say is this. So Sora is more like a standalone product, not with ChatGPT. So they make it like a different product. But still, if you're on the ChatGPT Plus plan or the Pro plan, you'll be able to access Sora for free. Just go to sora.com or openai.com/Sora. Either ways, you have access to Sora and you can make use of it. Meanwhile, if you are looking for a text to image, image to image, graphic design to graphic design prompt generator as well, check out imaging, check out this particular video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.